Hi students, now we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is circumference. Okay, here the topic is circumference. What do you mean by circumference? Circumference is so simple. Perimeter of a circle. Easily we can say that one. Perimeter of a circle, that is known as circumference. Okay, here you can see a circle. Yeah, its perimeter means the round, that one. Okay, this is known as a perimeter. Here I will show one more example. This is a round playground. You just imagine this is a round playground. You have to make a border to these lines. Okay, this is, you can see, this is known as the borders. Okay, this borders total is known as circumference. Okay, here simply we can tell that is the perimeter. You remember the rectangular perimeter. Perimeter means this side, this side, this side, this side, this sides total. Same way, circle perimeter is known as circumference. Okay, so now we are going to discuss something more. The main thing, you are going to learn some new things here, new words. The first one is radius. Okay, already radius we can call radius also, and diameter and circumference already we learned. Radius means you can see a circle here. Alright, from here the center point, this is the center. Okay, this is the circle. The center point of the circle is this. This is the center point of circle. You can see that one. From here, this from the center, all the sides have same length. Clear? From the center point to any point of the circle, the length is known as radius. That means from center to any point of the circle. This is our circle radius from the center to another one, and from this center to here, this is also radius. Understood? One more example, I will draw here one more circle. This is the center. From here to here, this is also known as radius. This is radius, this is radius, this is radius, this is radius, and this is radius. Okay. So these are radius. Clear? Now next word is diameter. Diameter means so simple. How much the radius is double is known as diameter. If suppose radius is 2, then the diameter double of radius, that is 4. If radius is 4, the diameter double of radius, that means 8. Understood? That means radius how much? Its double is diameter. That means 2 radius. Double means 2. Okay, 2 radius, which is equal to 1 diameter. Now I will tell you what is diameter. Diameter means from one side. Okay, if a circle, here you just imagine this is a circle here. So a circle from one side, this is the center. You just imagine this is the center of the circle. From one side we are drawing a line. It must be close first to the center. Okay, so this line passing to the center. Understood? This line passing to the center. So this is known as diameter. That means you can understand from here to here radius, here to here also radius, radius plus radius, 1 diameter. Understood? One more diameter I will draw you. From here I'm drawing, it is passing to the center of the point. Then this is also a diameter. Understood? Here we are going to learn what are the different equations we are using in this section. Okay. Here in this session, circumference, we are going to learn about circumference. Okay, about circle, circumference of a circle. Here we already said radius is there and diameter is also there. We have to find out, if you want to find out the circumference, we can use one equation, that is circumference, which is equal to 2 into pi r. Here the pi value we can tell 3.14 or 22 by 7 or 3.14. We can take any value. Okay, 3.14 or 22 by 7. We can take these two values. Okay, here the first equation, circumference is equal to 2 into pi r. That means here the equation is like that. Circumference, if you want to find out the circumference, that means 2 into the radius of the circle into the value of pi. That means pi is here constant. So the equation 2 into what is the radius of the circle into pi. Understood? That means 2 into r into pi. We can write this one, we can rearrange 2 pi r like this. Okay. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r. If in this case of the radius is given, if the radius is given in one question, we have to find out the circumference, then we can use this equation. Another equation is also there, that is pi into d. Pi into d. That means pi here already said it's constant. D means diameter. What do you mean by d? D means diameter. Already we know that one. Diameter which is equal to here I am writing diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Radius double of radius. Understood? Radius double of radius. In the place of 2r, that means 2 radius. That means double of radius. Here we have 2r, we wrote the 2r. In the place of 2r, we can write d. That means diameter. Clear? So these are the equations. The first equation is pi into d, which is equal to circumference, or 2 pi r. Okay, we can use any two equation for finding circumference. Okay, students. Now we can discuss the exercise 16.4, question number 1. The question is, we have to find out the circumference of the circles whose radius are given below. So the radius means radius. Radius is already given. What is that? 12 meter and 19.7. This is two different questions, A and B. So we are going to do A and B here. Rest of the questions you have to do as a homework. Okay. So here A and B, 12 meter. A is 12 meter. So we are going to do the first one. What is given here? It's given. Here given. What is given? Here given. What is given here? Here given what? Radius. Radius how much? That is radius 12 meter. Radius means radius means 12 meter. So if we have to find out, what have to find out? We have to find out the circumference. We know if the radius is given, then we have to find out the circumference. We can use one equation. What is the equation? That is the equation is this: circumference, which is equal to 2 into pi into r. This equation we can apply here. Then we can find out the circumference of the circle. Okay. Here, what is the equation? Circumference is equal to 2 into pi into r. Now we can directly apply these values here in this equation. Okay. Circumference, which is equal to 2 into pi. Pi value. Now we can take here 3.14. Or in the place of 3.14, we can use 22 by 7 also. Now here we are using 3.14. Okay. So the pi value we are giving 3.14, and the radius, r value. Radius is in this question. What is the radius? 12 meter. Understood? So radius, that means already given 12. Pi value 3.14 to here, directly apply here like this. So 2 into 12, 24 into 3.14. The answer will be how much? 75.36. If you multiply 24 into 3.14, you will get 75.36. Understood? Now, if you want to use in the place of 3.14, you can use this value also. What's that? 22 by 7. Okay. For this question, I will do with this also. Okay. For your understanding, for your better understanding. So here, circumference. Circumference, which is equal to 2 into pi into r. We already know that equation. So here 2 into here pi value, we are not taking 3.14. Here which value are going to take? 22 by 7. R value 12. In this question already given. We are writing here. So if 12 into 2, that means 24 into 22 by 7, it will come 75.287. 2854. Okay, not 27. 75.42857 meter. Okay, here meter. Here it means If you are using pi value 3.14, you will get 75.36 meter. If you are using the pi value is 22 by 7, then you will get 75.42857. Okay. Now the second question. The second question, that means B, radius is 19.7 centimeter. Here, which equation we can apply? The same equation. Circumference is equal to 2 into pi into r. R means which is given in this equation. Okay. So here, circumference, which is equal to 2 into pi into r. Well, I am rewriting the equation here. That means circumference which is equal to 2 into pi value we can take 3.14 into r value we can take here. What is the r value? 19.7. Understood? Now 19.7 into 2. How much will come? 38 plus 7.7 1.4. That means 39.4. Yeah. 1988, 77, 72, 14, that means 39.4. Okay, into 3.14. If we are multiplying, you will get the answer. What's the answer? 123.716. 123.716. This will be the final answer. What we already did here? We have done which equation? We are directly applying the values here. That much only. If you must know, I will explain. That means 2 into pi into r. That's our equation. 2 into pi value 3.14 into r value 19.7. If you are multiplying these three things, you will get 123 point. That means 123.716 centimeter as circumference. Now we are going to discuss 16.4 question number 2. The question is 36 centimeter. What will we find out? It is given here. What diameter is given? We have to find out the circumference. Okay. So circumference, how we can find out? Here we already know that one. Circumference, how we can find out? If the diameter is here, then we can use this equation. That means circumference which is equal to pi into d. Pi into d. Okay. Here pi value we already know that one 3.14 or 22 by 7. Any value we can take for in place of pi. Okay. Now here we are using 3.14 only. Okay. Here the circumference. How much? Diameter. Which we are already given here. What is that? 36. Okay. So the diameter given. Diameter how much? 36. In this first question, diameter is 36. What do we have to find out? We have to find out the circumference. Circumference which is equal to pi into d. Pi into d. Pi value, we already know that one, 3.14 into d, 36. That means 3.14 into 36, which is equal to 113.04. This is 36 centimeter. That means circumference also in centimeter. Now 16.4 question number 2b. The big question is, what is that? Diameter is given. What is that? 50. Okay, diameter is 50. We have to find out the circumference. We can directly apply the equation here. Circumference which is equal to pi into d. Here pi value is 3.14 into d means 50. If you multiply, then you will get 155.5 meter. 155.5 meter. Okay. So in question the meter, that's why I'm writing here meter.